Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to review Rocket Money app. First, let's talk about what Rocket Money actually is. Formerly known as Truebill, Rocket Money is a finance app designed to help you manage subscriptions, track spending, and even negotiate bills. It's like having a digital money manager in your pocket. Its main selling point, saving you money effortlessly by spotting subscriptions you forgot about, canceling unwanted services, and helping you create budgets that actually work. Sounds promising, right? But does it deliver on these promises? Let's dig deeper. Key features and benefits. Rocket Money is packed with features. Let's break them down. Subscription management. This feature automatically detects your subscriptions and lets you cancel the ones you no longer need with just a tap. Spending insights. It provides a detailed breakdown of your expenses, helping you see where your money is going. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can even negotiate bills for you, like internet or cable, potentially saving you hundreds annually. Budgeting tools. The app creates personalized budgets based on your spending habits, keeping you on track financially. These features sound great, right? Pros and cons. Now let's sum up the pros and cons. The pros: easy to use interface, saves time by automatically tracking subscriptions, potentially saves money with bill negotiations, great for gaining awareness of your spending habits. Cons: premium features are locked behind a subscription starting at $3 per month. Limited bill negotiation success depending on your provider. Budgeting tools might feel basic for advanced users. So, is Rocket Money legit or a scam? From my experience and the feedback I have seen online, it's definitely legit. The app delivers on its promises to help you save money and manage subscriptions. However, keep in mind that it's not a magic solution for everyone. If you are willing to pay for the premium subscription, you will get the most value of it. But if you are expecting perfection or complete automation, you might feel a bit underwhelmed. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.